Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Calendar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the Google Calendar event colors? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change Google event calendar colors anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you may end up having a lot of different meetings, and separating based off of customer importance or meeting length can help you view your calendar in a more efficient way. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Calendar. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Calendar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the color of your Google events, there's actually a few different ways you can do it. You can do it on the event level, you can do it on the calendar level, and you can also add a new calendar. So first I'm going to show you how to do it on the event level. So for example, this one right here, YouTube video tutorial, this is under my Instagram appointments. So all of my Instagram appointments are going to show up in green by default. However, if I want to individually change the event color, I can go ahead and click on the event, and then I'm going to click on this pencil icon. So here is the event. So for example, the calendar right here is Instagram appointments. By default, it's green, but if I want this one specific event to change, I'm going to click on the arrow, and let's go ahead and change this one to yellow, and then we'll click on save. Okay, so now it's still under my Instagram appointments by default, which is green. However, this one event is yellow. So if I uncheck this calendar, you can see that the Google event disappears. Also, you can easily see this is part of my Instagram appointments because here on the left, it's still green. The majority is yellow, but it's green right here. So that's how you can change the Google Calendar event on the event level. However, if you want to change the entire, so once again, Instagram appointments, those are always going to be green. But if I want them to show up in a different color, all I'm going to do is hover over the calendar, click on these three dots, and then you can see the green is check marked. But let's say we want them to be purple. So we'll change it to purple. And as you can see, the color changes purple next to this yellow. So any new event and any previous event that was under this calendar, it's going to be marked as purple. So that is how you can change the Google Calendar event on the calendar level. Now, the last way that you can change Google event colors is you can just add a new calendar. So for example, if I started adding Twitter marketing and I want to have all of my events that come from Twitter marketing to be a different color, all I'm going to do is go ahead and add a calendar. So other calendars, I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to create new calendar. Okay, once I'm in here, let's say Twitter marketing calendar, and I'm going to click create calendar. Okay, let me go ahead and go back. Okay, so now we have a new calendar right here. And by default, Google assigned this one as gray. But let's say we want to go ahead and have anything that's Twitter marketing. We're going to click on the three dots, and we want them to show up as blue. Let's see. Okay, so now when I create a new event, let's say we're going to create an event at 3 p.m. So we have a new customer. His name is Magic Johnson. And then here we're going to go ahead and add them at the bottom into our Twitter marketing calendar. And you can see the calendar is in blue, and then we'll save it. So those are the three ways you can change the Google event calendar color. And lastly, one other question I got is, can you make the entire calendar in dark mode? Yes, you can. That's going to be different than the events. All you're going to do is click on the gear icon, and then here on the gear icon, click on appearance. And then here you can go ahead and adjust between light, dark, and then the device level. So if your device is dark, it's going to be dark. If your device is light, it's going to be light. So here's dark, and then just click on done. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the Google event calendar color, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.